A retinoid that required a doctor's prescription for decades now sits on a Target shelf for $14. An eye cream backed by published clinical research costs $20. And a luxury brand charging $335 for a weaker formula from the same parent company is sitting in a department store 3 shelves away. 8 Target skincare products secretly outperforming luxury brands women over 50 keep paying for. Starting with number 8. Number 8. The Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus Egg CG. Around $8 to $15. Imagine buying an eye product where the company actually tells you how much of the active ingredient you are getting. Not a proprietary complex name, not a blend. The exact percentage. The Ordinary does this on every label. Caffeine at 5% above the documented threshold for visibly reducing the appearance of puffiness. You see the number. You know what you are paying for. The luxury comparison is Clinique Even Better Eye Cream Illuminate at $52. Clinique does not disclose the caffeine concentration. The word caffeine appears on the ingredient list, but at what level, they will not say. A $52 jar with undisclosed actives versus an $8 serum that tells you exactly what it contains and at what strength. Egg CG is an anti-inflammatory antioxidant from green tea that works alongside the caffeine. The formula is fragrance-free. It contains no parabens, no silicones, no undisclosed compounds. One thing to know, this is not a complete eye treatment. It targets puffiness and circulation specifically. If dark circles or fine lines are the primary concern, this works best layered with a targeted formula. But for the depuffing step alone, there is no product at any price point that outperforms $8 and a disclosed percentage. $8. A printed percentage. No secrets on the label. The next product was created by hospital pharmacists, and it is competing with a French brand charging 3 times its price. Number 7. Vanicream Facial Moisturizer SPF 30. Around $14. In 1974, 2 hospital pharmacists in Rochester, Minnesota were approached by a dermatologist who said, "I cannot find products good enough for my patients. Would you start a company?" They did while continuing to work full-time. No investors, no marketing budget, no brand story. Just a formula. That formula, zinc oxide as the only UV active, ceramides, glycerin, squalane, no fragrance. No parabens, no dyes, no formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. UG verified. The ingredient list is short enough to read in 30 seconds. The comparison is La Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral SPF 50 at $38 to $42. La Roche-Posay is a respected brand with a strong dermatologist following. Both use mineral filters. Both are fragrance-free. Both are designed for sensitive skin. La Roche-Posay costs 3 times more. One catch: La Roche-Posay has a lighter, more cosmetically elegant texture that sits better under makeup for some users. If daily wear under foundation matters, that texture difference is real. But for bare protection on skin that has become more reactive with age, the formula inside the Vanicream tube was built specifically for that problem. By pharmacists. For patients. Not for a shelf. Hospital pharmacists. $14. 3 times cheaper than the French alternative. The next one sits beside prescription skincare in the same aisle because it used to be prescription skincare. Number 6. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Around $14. The skin around the eyes is the thinnest on the face. It loses its barrier faster than anywhere else. It is the first place to show dehydration and the most reactive to ingredients that do not belong there. CeraVe built this formula around 3 essential ceramides, the lipid molecules that form the skin's natural barrier, plus hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Fragrance-free. No petrolatum. Ophthalmologist tested. The ceramides are listed high in the ingredient order, not buried at the bottom as a marketing footnote. The comparison is Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream at $65. Both contain hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Both are ophthalmologist tested. Shiseido adds botanical extracts, Okinawa algae, ginseng that have documented antioxidant activity but no published clinical evidence specifically validating the eye cream formula. CeraVe costs less than a quarter of Shiseido's price. Worth knowing, CeraVe was acquired by L'Oréal in 2017, and some users have noted formula consistency shifts since then. The eye repair cream has maintained its reputation, but it is worth knowing the ownership context. $14. Ceramides in the first 5 ingredients. The next product is doing the same work as a $190 cream and costs less than the parking at the store where that cream is sold. Number 5. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Around $16. La Mer Crème de la Mer is the most famous moisturizer in the world. The Miracle Broth. The glass jar. The $190 price tag. The brand's entire mythology is built around a marine biologist who spent 12 years fermenting sea kelp in his garage until he healed his own burn-scarred hands. Flip the La Mer jar over. After water, the first substantive ingredients are mineral oil and petroleum-derived occlusives. Then, glycerin. The Miracle Broth appears further down the list. The ceramides that dermatologists consider the gold standard for barrier repair are not present. Flip the CeraVe tub over. After water and glycerin, you reach Ceramide NP, Ceramide AP, Ceramide OP, 3 essential ceramides in the first 5 ingredients. Then, hyaluronic acid. Then, cholesterol. This is the barrier repair system dermatologists recommend, built around the same molecular structure as healthy skin. One reviewer who switched from La Mer to CeraVe described the first week as psychological. She had used La Mer for 3 years. She missed the glass jar, the scent, the ritual of the gold spatula. She said switching to a white plastic tub felt like admitting defeat. By week 2, she said her skin looked identical. By week 4, she stopped missing La Mer. By month 2, she said she was angry it had taken her this long. The cream does not know which shelf it came from. The barrier does not know which jar it came out of. A pharmacist at a hospital in Minnesota designed a moisturizer for patients whose skin had been compromised by illness, medication, and age. L'Oréal designed La Mer for a department store counter with trained consultants and ambient lighting. Both products seal in moisture. One costs $16. The other costs $190. The next one has a Consumer Reports document with its name on it. Number 4. Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. Around $28. In 2007, Consumer Reports tested 34 anti-aging moisturizers. They measured wrinkle depth using optical devices, trained sensory panelists, and dermatologic technicians. The most expensive cream in the test, La Prairie, at $335, ranked near the bottom. The top performer was Olay Regenerist at $19. That test is now nearly 20 years old. Both formulas have evolved. But the underlying dynamic has not. Olay Regenerist contains niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid, the same active ingredients dermatologists recommend for mature skin. The formula is fragrance-free in certain versions. It absorbs without heaviness. Reviews from women over 60 consistently describe it as one of the few drugstore moisturizers that does not feel like a compromise. The luxury comparison is Lank Marnergy at $95. Same active categories: peptides, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants. Lank adds fragrance. Olay does not. Lank charges more than 3 times as much. One limitation worth noting, Olay Regenerist is owned by Procter & Gamble, a company with its own complex ingredient history, and some versions of the formula contain fragrance. Check the specific product name before buying. Consumer Reports documented it in 2007. The formula improved. The price stayed under $30. The next one narrowed a 7 times price gap using almost the same antioxidant chemistry. Number 3. Timeless 20% vitamin C plus E ferulic acid serum. Around $26. SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic is the most referenced vitamin C serum in dermatology. Board-certified dermatologists recommend it by name. It costs $182. The formula contains L-ascorbic acid, alpha-tocopherol vitamin E, and ferulic acid. That specific combination vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid is what dermatologists call the antioxidant trifecta. Ferulic acid stabilizes vitamin C and doubles its photoprotective efficacy. The patent on this combination has expired. Timeless Skincare built their formula around the same trifecta. L-ascorbic acid at 20% higher concentration than SkinCeuticals at 15%. Vitamin E ferulic acid. Independent ingredient comparison platforms have rated the formulas as nearly identical. SkinSchool gave the Timeless formula a full 10 out of 10 match to SkinCeuticals. It costs $26. The comparison is direct. The chemistry is documented. The price gap is $156. Timeless is sold at Target. One practical note: vitamin C serums oxidize over time, and packaging matters. Timeless uses an opaque bottle with a pump, which limits light exposure. Open the bottle, use it consistently, and refrigerate if possible. At $26 versus $182, even if the shelf life is slightly shorter, the math still favors Timeless. One reviewer described spending years buying SkinCeuticals before trying Timeless for a month. She applied SkinCeuticals to one side of her face and Timeless to the other. After 4 weeks, she said she genuinely could not tell which side had received which serum. She has not bought SkinCeuticals since. $26 versus $182. Same antioxidant trifecta, 7 times cheaper. The next one used to require a doctor's signature. Quick pause. Researching this video taught me something uncomfortable. Some of the most effective skincare products for mature women have been sitting under fluorescent lights at Target, while women paid 10 times more for prettier jars. I put together a free CleanShelf guide with the ingredient patterns I now check before buying any skincare product. Link is in the description. It's free. The next 2 products are where the gap becomes genuinely absurd. Number 2. Differin Adapalene Gel 0.1%. Around $14. For decades, adapalene was available only by prescription. A dermatologist had to write it. A pharmacy had to fill it. The out-of-pocket cost without insurance could reach $200 or more per tube. Women were paying those prices because adapalene is a third-generation retinoid clinically proven to accelerate cell turnover, reduce the appearance of fine lines, improve skin texture, and address post-menopausal skin changes, including acne, that returns after hormonal shifts. In 2016, the FDA approved adapalene 0.1% for over-the-counter sale. It is now available at Target, Walmart, CVS, and every major drugstore. The formula did not change. The strength did not change. The clinical evidence did not change. The price went from prescription cost to $14. Most women over 50 have never been told this. Dermatologists know. Estheticians know. The women filling prescriptions at $200 a tube do not always know there is another way. Adapalene works differently from traditional retinol. It is more stable, less likely to cause the initial irritation and peeling that sends many women away from retinoids before they reach the benefit window. Dermatologists who treat patients over 50 for skin texture, fine lines, and persistent breakouts consistently recommend Differin as a starting point. One thing worth knowing: adapalene requires patience. Results are documented at 12 weeks of consistent use. Start every other night, use with a barrier-supporting moisturizer, and apply sunscreen every morning without exception. Women who stayed with it past the first month consistently described the same thing. Their skin looked different in a way that felt like their skin improving, rather than product sitting on top of it. Previously prescription only. Now $14 at Target. Beside the toothpaste. The last product has a peer-reviewed clinical journal, a patent, and a corporate scandal hiding behind a $335 price tag. Number 1. Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dark Circle Eye Cream. Around $20. This is where the story gets strange. Dark circles become more pronounced with age, not just from fatigue, but from the way melanin distributes differently in aging skin, from the way the under-eye area thins and loses its cushion. For women over 50, dark circles are often the primary complaint. The luxury market knows this, and it charges accordingly. La Prairie Cellular Eye Cream is $335 at Neiman Marcus. In 2007, Consumer Reports tested luxury wrinkle creams. La Prairie, the most expensive product in the entire test, ranked near the least effective. 3 independent measurement methods, optical devices tracking wrinkle depth, trained sensory panelists, dermatologic technicians. Same result across all 3. La Prairie had 18 years to reformulate. The formula has not changed. The price has not dropped. The claims have not been adjusted. Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dark Circle Eye Cream is $20 at Target. The active ingredient is thiamidol, a patented compound developed by Beiersdorf that inhibits tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for producing the pigment that causes dark circles. Not a story, a mechanism, a patent, and studies. A 12-week clinical study showed a 79% reduction in pigmentation. Published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology in December 2025, a global dermatology consensus published the same month in the Journal of the European Academy of Dermatology named thiamidol a first-line treatment for hyperpigmentation around the eyes. Peer-reviewed, not on a brand website, in a journal. And here is what makes this number 1. Beiersdorf owns both brands. La Prairie and Eucerin come from the same parent company. Same building, same corporate owner. One product charges $335 for a formula that ranked near the bottom of Consumer Reports testing 18 years ago. The other charges $20, carries a patent, and has 2 peer-reviewed publications from 2025. I want to be transparent, thiamidol is specifically validated for dark circles and hyperpigmentation. If fine lines or puffiness are the primary concern, the other products on this list address those more directly. But for dark circles, and for most women over 50, they are the primary concern. This is the only product in this entire list where I found a peer-reviewed clinical journal citation, a global dermatology consensus, and a patent. All 3. For $20. Same parent company. 2 completely different decisions about what you deserve to know. $20 at Target, $335 at Neiman Marcus. Same owner. 1 journal. 1 Consumer Reports failure. You already know which is which. Drop in the comments which of these is already in your bathroom. And after this list, are you keeping it or replacing it?